as the leaves start falling down, and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, but now we're
Hello, lovely people. It's Tiffany. I'm just coming up in here to check in with you all, seeing how you all are doing, what is up. Today's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday afternoon, actually, if I do say so myself. But I spent my morning making a couple of phone calls and checking in with some people about some things. So here I am ready to get started with my day. I, like a month ago, got back in touch with an old employer of mine from when I taught kids how to code, and I reached out to see if there were any opportunities to help out any way possible. So without actually having to go into the classroom, I was actually trying to be more hands-off the classroom approach. Wanted to be more behind the scenes of things. So anyways, with that all being said, spoke to her like last month and whatever, got that all straightened out, and now I am currently doing some documentation for a project that they have going on the beginning of February. So they're trying to get everything straightened out, everything worked out. That's what I've pretty much been working on this day. And I'm also trying to find flights. Flights are expensive, man. So anyways, vacation's coming up, and admittedly I stupidly did not buy my flights 2 months ago when I knew about the trip. So now here I am trying to buy flights, and of course flights are expensive, so bummer about that. But hopefully the next couple days I could get some flights checked out, get them done, purchased, so I could be done with that process. So anyways, what I'm going to do now is spend about an hour doing some of my work that I mentioned I had to do. It's not back there. I don't know why I'm pointing that way. But I'm going to spend a little bit doing some work, and then I'm going to catch up. I have a project I work on with a couple of other developers, and it's been my task for a couple weeks now to come up with like a seeds file for a project that we're doing. We're doing basically it's basically a mean stack application, except instead of Angular, we're just using Express.js instead of having to use Angular. I think EJS will work out. I think it'll work out. It's just a matter of us having time to do everything. So it should work out just fine. So we shall see. Anyways, that's what I have going on. That's what I'll be doing, and let's go.
I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we're ready.
I have just finished up the work that I'm going to do for today. I just finished up that seeds file that I was talking about, and I figure I should go into a little bit of detail as to what that actually is in case you're unsure of it. So a seeds file is basically for your database. So when you are, you first create a database, you create the schema, you need data to go into that database. And so that's what the seeds file is for. You can write out some data that you could then import into your database so that you are able to then have some data in your database. So that's what I was trying to figure out for this project. I got it working a little bit, but it's not where I want it to be. Right now, it could only import just one new row of data, and that's not what I really want. I would honestly would rather it have a couple more lines of data to play around with, but I guess from where we are in this project, we keep kind of stopping and starting and things like that because, we all have, life outside of, this project that we're doing. So it's taken a bit, but it's fine. We'll get it worked out. I think I'm going to proceed with the route of creating like a form that has questions, maybe like on an admin side or something like that, that only specific people can have access to, and then just create a form and add data to the database that way. That was one of the things that was brought up last week when we met as well. So that's what I'm going to end up doing, and I'll probably end up working on that the next few days or so, hopefully, if I don't have any other issues. So that was my day for today. Pretty slow, not really much going on, but that's what it's been like for me these past few weeks. So anyways, I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.